In this video, we'll walk through how to install a roof vent on an easy build polytunnel. Roof vents help excess heat escape from inside the tunnel and are especially useful on longer structures where heat can really build up. Before you start, check you have all the parts. You should have the vent itself, 2 support bars, the brackets and the anti-hotspot tape. Start by covering the brackets with the anti-hotspot tape. This helps protect the polythene where it comes into contact with the metal. The vent fits in the space between 2 hoops. Attach the brackets to your chosen hoops, one on either side of the apex. You'll need to push the polythene out slightly to get the bracket over the hoop. If this feels too tight, you can lower the hoop slightly to release the tension. Next, loosely fit the vent support bars to the brackets. Don't fully tighten them yet. Now mark out the position for the vent opening. The hole should be around 30 centimeters in diameter. It's best to start smaller, as you can always enlarge it if needed. Carefully cut out the hole, taking care not to tear the polythene. Once the hole is cut, stretch the polythene up and out of the tunnel. This will form the flashing around the vent. Push the vent up through the hole, twisting it slightly as you go. Finally, move the support bars under the tabs on the vent. Twist the bars so they sit close to the cover. Then tighten the bolts on the support bars to secure everything in place. Once the vent is in position, use the metal clips to secure the vent to the support bars. Clip these into place through the tabs on the vent, making sure everything is held evenly and sits neatly against the cover. And that's the roof vent installed. Thanks for watching, and for more easy build installation guides, take a look at the rest of our videos.